Ever wondered why Alfa Romeos are so reasonably priced, be it new or pre-owned? This question leaves automobile enthusiasts puzzled. Alfa Romeo, a brand synonymous with rich racing heritage and distinctive Italian design, intriguingly falls into a more budget-friendly bracket than its competitors. Is it due to sales figures or reliability ratings? Could depreciation rate be the answer? Or maybe there's a more complex factor at play. Today, we're on a mission to understand what contributes to this pricing scale. Let's delve into Alfa Romeo's world and uncover why their tags are comparatively lower. We'll kick things off by taking a closer look at the numbers. Alfa Romeo's sales performance in the United States has not been consistent, especially when we break it down into new and used models. In 2022, they managed to sell only 12,845 new units. This, unquestionably, signifies a minuscule portion of the entire automobile market. However, their sales figures for used models present a different story. Now, you might be considering how these statistics impact the cost of both new and used cars. Higher sales often indicate a car's popularity and quality, which can lead to increased prices. On the contrary, lower sales, like those of Alfa Romeo's new models, don't necessarily mean the car is of lower quality. Often they result in a more economical price point, making Romeo an affordable luxury option. Meanwhile, the higher sales of used models might imply a trusted reliability over time, making the used Alfa Romeo cars a more appealing and cost-effective choice. Now let's delve deeper into the issue of reliability. Over the years, both new and used Alfa Romeo models have shown marked improvements in their reliability, effectively reshaping the public perception of the brand. Once infamous for their mechanical hiccups, these Italian marvels have dramatically climbed the ladder of reliability ratings. The metamorphosis from a brand plagued with mechanical glitches to an automotive choice for both new and pre-owned vehicles is truly remarkable. In the latest What Car survey, the brand fared impressively, securing a commendable fifth position of 32 manufacturers in terms of reliability. As testament to this, current concrete data reveals Alfa Romeo records a rate of a mere 143 issues per 100 vehicles, significantly better than their past performance. This is applicable for both their new and used models, marking a noteworthy shift from their earlier reputation. The historical reliability issues have cast a shadow over the brand's reputation, resulting in lower prices of used Alfa Romeo models, despite their recent advancements in dependability. The increase in reliability has indeed been a game-changer for Alfa, helping to shake off the long-standing stereotypes that once marred the brand, yet it still influences their market value. With increased reliability comes fewer visits to the less downtime, and ultimately, more satisfied owners of both new and used Alfa Romeo cars. However, while reliability has certainly been a boon, it's not the sole determinant of the car's value. Both potential and current owners should also bear in mind another crucial factor: depreciation. Diving into depreciation, Alfa Romeos, both new and used, are notorious. For instance, we'll examine the Stelvio model. Like its brethren, this brand new car experiences an accelerated plunge in value. Within the 12 months it can drop by half of its original cost. A previously owned Stelvio, after 3 years, retains about 38.65% tempests of the modern automotive market. Despite its revered racing pedigree and undeniable Italian allure, Alfa Romeo has found it challenging to secure broad-based appeal. This struggle is attributed to factors like reliability issues, rapid depreciation, and high maintenance costs, elements that have cast a shadow over the brand's celebrated legacy and distinctive style. Today, Alfa Romeo stands at a critical juncture, its glorious past seemingly at odds with prevailing market perceptions. This captivating contrast between the brand's prestigious history and its current predicaments offers a lucid explanation for the competitive pricing of both new and pre-owned models. It's this precise convergence of history and market trends explains the surprisingly affordable price tags of Alfa Romeos, so the question remains, will you consider an Alfa Romeo?